We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're making our favorite baked macaroni and cheese recipe. Our recipe makes a lot of mac and cheese, so we need to start with lots of cheese. There are a variety of cheeses you can use, but the two cheeses we go back to again and again are sharp white cheddar and pecorino Romano cheese. The cheddar tastes rich and makes the macaroni creamy, and the pecorino adds lots of extra flavor. For the creamiest mac and cheese, we like to hand shred the cheese. Pre-shredded cheeses just don't melt as well. We'll need some warm milk, so get the milk into a pan to warm up first. While that happens, we can make a roux, which is a paste made from butter and flour. This is what makes the sauce thick and velvety. Cook melted butter and flour together until it looks light brown and smells a little nutty. It's time to add the milk. I like to add the milk slowly and keep my whisk moving the entire time. When all the milk has been added, continue to cook until the sauce comes to a low simmer. It's at this point that you will notice it thickens. To make the sauce extra tasty, whisk in some Dijon mustard, black pepper, a bit of cayenne for heat, and a little nutmeg. We're almost done. We just need to add the cheese. I'm adding all but 1/2 cup here. The remaining cheese will go on top of the macaroni in the baking dish. This is also a great time to taste and adjust seasoning with salt. Do you see how creamy it is? That's all thanks to the melty white cheddar and the butter flour roux that we made earlier. To finish, add cooked and rinsed pasta, then add to a baking dish. By the way, you could always skip baking and just serve this as stovetop mac and cheese. It's also delicious. For the baked version, top the macaroni with the reserved cheese, and then bake uncovered until bubbly around the edges and the top turns light brown in spots. Oh, I'm so excited for you guys to make this recipe. Just look at that. And that's it. Perfectly creamy and extra cheesy macaroni and cheese from scratch. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.